Hey guys, Gabriel Games and Vlogs here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Xbox 360 drive if it's not opening and you have to like bang it so many damn times just so you can open it. So let's get right into it. So here's my old Xbox 360. I cleaned it and yeah, and everything, but one of the biggest problems, that doesn't work. So what you have to do is, hold on, just so you can get it open. Now, if you don't want this to stop happening, so hold on. Oh god. So what you want to stop happening is when I get those little wires back there. As you can see, if this thing does not stop doing that. So what we want to do is take a Q-tip with alcohol. Hold on, because it's gonna try to go back in. Okay, so take a Q-tip and go against that one spring right there, as you can see. Just keep on grabbing it, get in there. Hold on. I'm going to do this for a little bit. My camera's out of focus, but you get the point. So just on that little wheel right there. Keep on doing it. Then close it. There you go. Now you get your Xbox 360 drive opening. I've had this problem for so many years, and yet now I found a way to do it. It didn't take the internet to take me. Because when I was cleaning my Xbox, I realized just taking a Q-tip to that little rubber band over there fixed it. Because I have one of those old Xbox 360s, like the original 2000 ones. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.